If you want to design clean, professional pie charts in Figma, this tutorial is going to walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're building a dashboard, a presentation slide, or just need a simple visual for a client mockup, creating pie charts in Figma is surprisingly straightforward once you know the right tools. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials that save you time and make your designs look polished. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is draw a perfect circle. On your keyboard, press O to select the Ellipse tool. Once the tool is active, hold Shift and drag on your canvas to create a perfectly proportioned circle. Holding Shift is important because it locks the shape into equal width and height, which gives you the base for your pie chart. Now that you have your circle, the next step is to turn it into a pie slice. Move your cursor over the edge of the circle until you see the small inner point labeled arc. That arc control is what lets you transform the ellipse into a chart segment. Click and drag that handle inward toward the center of the circle. As you do this, you'll see the shape start to open up into a slice. This is the part that gives you the pie chart effect. Once you've created the slice, look over to the right-hand design panel. Here, you'll see controls for sweep and start angle. The sweep percentage controls how large the slice is, so if you want a bigger section of the pie, increase the sweep value. If you want a smaller slice, reduce it. The start angle control changes where the slice begins, which is useful when you want to rotate the segment into a specific position on the chart. By adjusting both of these settings, you can fine-tune the exact shape and placement of each segment. Now comes the part that makes the pie chart complete. Duplicate the slice by pressing Ctrl-D on Windows or CMD-D on Mac. After duplicating it, change the fill color so each segment is easy to distinguish. Then, adjust the start and sweep values again to create the next adjacent section of the pie. Repeat this process for each segment you want to include. By stacking and arranging the slices carefully, you can build a full pie chart with multiple categories. A helpful tip here is to keep your segment colors consistent and visually balanced. If you're designing for dashboards or data visuals, use colors that are easy to tell apart but still match your overall design system. You can also add labels beside each slice later if you want to make the chart more informative. If you want a cleaner workflow, it helps to build one slice first, get the size exactly right, and then duplicate that shape for the rest of the chart. That way, your segments stay consistent and you can make quick changes without starting from scratch each time. This is especially useful when presenting multiple data points in a neat and modern layout. And that's it, you now know how to design pie charts in Figma using the Ellipse tool, arc controls, sweep values, and duplicated slices. Once you practice this a few times, you'll be able to create custom chart visuals in just a couple of minutes. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more Figma tips and design shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.